Articles from the National Library of Medicine documented that the majority of the patients who revisit the hospital emergency within 60 days of their recent hospital stay concluded that there was no clear evidence of lapse in medical care, and the return visits are mainly patient-initiated. Clovis AI is offering a possible solution to prevent emergency recurring visits. Upon discharge, each patient is given a DR watch to take home. It's important that the watch is worn continuously for the next 60 days from the departure date. The DR watch is ISO certified, and with a small monthly cost, the patient can continue to be monitored and protected. The watch is also capable of measuring the patient's temperature, blood oxygen level, heart rate, blood pressure, activity, sleep, abnormal heart rate, glucose monitoring, and can also monitor emergencies from anywhere that has cellular service. The watch has a built-in gateway enabling the collection of data from other home monitoring equipment we supply, like our pill dispenser, glucose meter, and weight scale. The watch gives your patients the freedom to live their lives without the need to worry about testing their vitals. All that is required is for them to wear the DR watch. Your hospital can bill Medicare CPT code 99453 for setup plus 99454 for technical and 99457 for clinical, plus numerous other codes that depends on the patient's needs. You can write a referral to Clovis and we will supply the technical portion of RPM that includes the cellular watch and all related expenses. Clovis will bill CPT code 99454. Included with our technical service is our world-renowned software platform available for you to use to supply the clinical service and bill Medicare CPT code 99457, or our remote registered nurses can supply the clinical requirements and bill your practice for their services. The majority of the hospitals and doctors we supply has us do both technical and clinical services. The DR watch will remind the host when it is time to take their medication or any other testing reminders that is prescribed.
As the patient's medical professional, the DR watch can supply you with information that is traditionally not available remotely from the patient's home. Knowing if and when the medication is taken is good information. 50% of people who arrive in the emergency room over the age of 65 is related to under or over-medicated. Smart Diabetes Glucose Meter is FDA approved and designed for home monitoring use. The meter and software has too many features to discuss all of them in this video. However, the meter exceeds all the requirements a doctor would want, and no need for the patient to use a logbook to record readings.
The glucose test results will transfer through Bluetooth technology from the meter to the DR watch and then to the health cloud.
You or your practice can be alerted by text, email, or IVR if the patient is trending badly and is in need of assistance. You can also connect to your patient by predefined or customized text, email, or speak to them through the watch.
Rapid weight gain or loss is important to track. It can be a precursor to multiple health problems that can go unnoticed if not recorded and monitored. You will receive a message if your patient reached the weight loss or gain, based on thresholds that are preset for them.
It isn't only Clovis products that can connect to the DR watch. Any Bluetooth-capable product in the market can have connection with a small amount of cooperation from the manufacturer. Dexcom Continuous Glucose Monitoring is the most recent addition to the add-on products. Clovis has another profit center that is popular amidst RPM and FQHC patients. The DR watch has emergency protection built into the product that allows the patient to be monitored 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The service is ISO certified. Email info@clovisrpm.com for additional information.